Today I'm going to make an outer cover for this yoga mat. So basically I'm going to be taking a pillowcase. I have put this pillowcase upside down because I'm going to take the measurement of how much would I actually need uh, to stitch, so that the remaining portion can be used to fit in this yoga mat. So after I take the measurement, I will stitch that area. Now the stitching I'll be doing from the inner side of the pillowcase cover, so that the outer side may look neat. So let's go on with this quick. Just a straight stitch along the length of this pillowcase. That's it. And once we are done, you flip the pillowcase inside out, and this is the front side of this pillowcase. Now on the inner side you will get that flap like thing, the portion where we stitched. So that flap like thing you will have to attach it, but before that we'll fit in our mat and see if it actually fits into the case. Yes, it does. So now is the time to stitch the flap. So let's place a stitch. The reason why we are stitching that, leaving a little gap on top, is because first of all, when you put the yoga mat, it will not be an obstruction whilst putting the mat in. And also at the same time, the little gap we are leaving is to put in the thread so that we can close the mouth opening of the cover, so that you will see at the later point. So once we are done stitching that part, this is the stitch on the outer side, how much I have left, so that I can pass the thread through the inner side, and on the outer side I'll be placing holes. So let's begin with the hole placement. So the orange color thread is what I have to insert. Taking a scissor, what I'll do is the gap that we have between the two fabrics, inside and the outside stitch portion, I will just make a hole in this way, just a tiny hole like this, so that our thread can fit in. Now that thread should be a little thick cord or something, so that it will not tear off easily or get ripped off easily. So there, I'm making a hole on the other side as well, and all I have to do is insert that cord, the thread, inside with the help of a safety pin. Just put it inside that gap that I have, and then tie a knot at the end in this way, a secure knot, just so that in case it will not come out, the threads might not go inside the hole back. And that's it. Our cover to tighten up the mouth of that cover is also ready. And now here I'm just going to put handles, same like a handbag. So if you want to know how I made this handle, I will attach the link in the description and on the I button on top. Only on the sides just make stitches to attach this handle. So it is going to be like your purse that you hold by your shoulder, because it's not going to be for long hours. I am going to make a short handle, and now it's time to fit in. So the handle stitching I've done on both the sides. I've just shown you all one side of the stitching, so you'll ensure that you'll have it on both the sides, stitch on the top mouth opening, and that's it. It's time to put our cover on the yoga mat in this way, and that's it. If you make the yoga mat fold more thinner, it will go in easily. So this is just to show you roughly that this is how it looks once we place the mat inside our cover. Isn't it cute? From simple things you make a creative stuff. And that's it. Tie a knot on the mouth opening, and this is how our yoga mat bag or holder looks like there, and that will go on the shoulder, and this is how its final look is. So friends, if you all found this useful, do let me know in the comments section, and also please let me know if you found this hack creative or not. Do share it with others, those who are doing yoga regularly. They would surely like this idea. That's all on this episode. I'll see you next time. For those who are new out here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you all have any hack request, or y'all know any hacks, y'all can always share it on the comments. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye from me.